Hello guys, this is Anthony from Joice here, and today's video we will talk about Indian hair and Chinese hair. If you are new to this channel, Joice Hair is a hair factory from China, and we features Chinese raw hair and supply all type of hair products including wigs, lashes, frontals, closures, and bundles, and everything about this human hair. And in this channel I will share everything regarding the hair products and the knowledge about wigs and everything. Please do subscribe my channel and thumb up for this video. So let's go back to the topic. And India and China are the countries contributes most of the hair in this world. I don't know what exactly the figure is, but I think more than half of the hair from the world is let's first talk about Indian hair. So Indian hair is mostly coming from the temples. Each year, Indian people, the religious Indian people, they are going to the temple. They cut their hair and contribute to the temple, and this hair flew into the market. And Indian hair is naturally wavy, and it's really beautiful wave. And so if you are loving the naturally wave hair, and you can go for Indian hair. So compare with Chinese straight hair. All the Chinese hair has to be processed to make it wavy or curly. So if you love the natural wavy hair, you can go for Indian hair. And this is the plus point of the Indian hair, but there are some minus point of Indian hair as well. So compared with Chinese hair, Indian hair has more orange strand or white strand. So the color is not so natural or so pure as compared to Chinese hair. And the other point is Indian hair is thinner than Chinese hair usually, and so that's why most of Chinese hair company they do not like Indian hair because it's thinner. So because the hair factory, they need the hair to be processed, and they make different type of hair texture and everything. If the hair is thinner, so it cannot be processed, and once the chemical process or they steam it, and the hair will the hair deficit will be a lot. I mean, if you process 1 kilo hair, thin hair, maybe there's only 700 grams can be made to be the hair product. So that is why most hair factory in China, they doesn't like Indian hair because it's thinner compared with Chinese hair. And then let's talk about Chinese hair. Chinese hair is naturally straight hair, and it is one of the most thick hair in this world. And so the thickness of the Chinese hair make the hair more versatile. It can be bleached, it can be making steamed and processed to different textures, and that makes Chinese hair most welcome in the factory. And Chinese hair is naturally color is also black, and same as Indian hair, but it's pure so it has less orange or white strand mostly. And so all in all, Indian hair is good due to its naturally wave. So if you like wavy hair, you want wavy looks, and you want it natural, you can go for Indian hair. And if you want play with the hair, you want to use a longer time, you want to play with it, you want to steam it one day, bleach it, or you want a very versatile hair, you go with Chinese hair. And Chinese raw hair is the best material you can play with. So let me show you. This is our Remy hair and Remy hair bundles, which made of Indian hair. You can see it's very beautiful as well, but it's chemically processed, but it's very good quality as well. You can use it for a long time as well. There's no smell. It's very soft, shining, and smooth as well. This is the Indian hair. Also, it's very beautiful. And this is our Chinese raw hair. This hair is 100% unprocessed. This hair you can use it for 5 years to 10 years, no problem. And you can bleach it. For Indian hair, for this hair you can bleach to a color 27, but for this hair you can bleach to any color lighter, like 613 or 60. There's no issue. It's guaranteed, so it gives you more versatility and longevity of this hair. The lifespan is very long as well. So if you wanna go try more colors with one single bundle, try more textures, go with this hair. It gives you much more playing range. And this hair is also beautiful. You can use it for 1 year, no problem. 1 year or 2 years, there's no problem as well. This one is cheaper as well, and can be bleached to color 27. Processed Remy hair and unprocessed Chinese raw hair. So you can choose as per your demand. And if you have any other question regarding hairs, or you require any hairs or hair products, please message me and on my WhatsApp and subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, if you wanna listen more about hair knowledge, please subscribe and thumb up for this video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your time, and have a nice day.